Hospitality Action is a force for good. We offer lifelines to people who work or have worked in hospitality and find themselves in difficulty or crisis.
The reason we chose Hospitality Action was we wanted to give something back to the industry that supports us. Without the people that work inside the hospitality industry, we'd have nothing.
I've been in the hospitality industry for 25 plus years, and unfortunately I incurred this injury 2 or 3 years ago where I had a spinal cord injury. It wasn't until probably about 48 hours after the operation that I was told you're paralysed from the waist down. The Hospitality Action have been fantastic for me. It will help me get, hopefully one day, back into the sort of workplace.
Mark explained to us really kind of hit home and realised how many people are affected in this trade. It is quite difficult to seek the help for it, and what Hospitality Action are doing by offering that is fantastic.
So we do that in many ways, normally grants-based, but also through counselling. We have a new product called the Employee Assistance Programme, which gives employers a chance to invest in their employees. Hospitality Action would be nothing without the people and the businesses that support us, and we're enormously grateful for the work that Aleko has done over the last few years. £100,000 is a transformative amount of money. It's a huge amount, and we can do so much good with that money.
This is a long-term partnership, and we will be supporting this charity for the long term. It's the right thing for us to do.